Hey, nesting and resting. Look, yes, finally made a commitment on these bar stools. Look where I got them. At home, yes, at home. Not Amazon, Temu, Walmart, at home. Oh, look, everybody. Here's my partner in shopping crime, my baby. She is a shopper. Let me tell you, yes, honey. I know I wish we could buy up this whole store too, but unfortunately, we did not win that $1 billion. So, just bar stools in the cart. Yeah. And I know. She's like, Mommy, I want everything. This little dog is a shopper, let me tell you. But with these bar stools, I did not know if I wanted high back, low back, adjustable. I knew I wanted it to swivel. And I consulted with an interior designer and she agreed. She liked these bar stools and I love them. And at home, here we are. So we are headed to the checkout line right now with our bar stools. I'm feeling really blessed to finally have made a commitment. What are we buying today? We are buying some bar stools. You got your credit card? Huh? Where's your credit card at? Where's your money at, Snowy? Where's your money at? You got where your Christmas money at? No? Hi, we're back. Yes. All right, Snow.
Does she like going?
She comes.
Okay. What are you? Are they the same?
Yes.
Hi there. Hi, baby girl. Oh, hello.
And then we got the mat too.
Okay.
Snowy, let her scan it.
There we go.
Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, where's your money? Oh, hey, get your Christmas money. Granny sent you some Christmas money.
26.44.
Where's your money at? So Snowy whipped out her American Express Black card and paid for the bar stools. I'm so grateful. Thank you, Snowy. Thank you, Snowy. Thank you. Let's get this stuff loaded. So now I made a commitment with the bar stools, and y'all, I just went crazy. I went on Amazon and ordered everything in my wish list for my house, and it will be here soon. And I want you guys here for every step of the way. Finally getting my house together. So proud.